Hi guys, the next modification to my Ausek Q44 action camera to try and stop the rattle. A bit of black tape across the top there. I will be well annoyed if that does stop it, but it does look to me like that might be all it is. That little plastic button was rocking around in there, it was quite loose. So we'll put that in the car and give it a run, because the vibration of the car really did set that off. In my hat camera it wasn't too bad at all, but in the car the vibration of the car seemed to be at the right resonance to really make it rattle. So we'll have a look, we'll go for a drive. Not just now, because it's just coming up to 1 o'clock in the morning. So we'll go out tomorrow sometime, well, later on today. Well guys, you can probably guess I'm getting quite frustrated with this. I just cannot trace what that rattle is. Now, the fact we've actually replaced the microphone, and that's made no difference other than we've lost a lot of the volume. That one must have been recording at a much higher volume. So the fact that it's not recording us loud means we're not hearing as much rattle, but that rattle is still there. I've tried it without all my stick-on bits, without the 3D printed stuff, just in case any of that is adding to the rattle, but that made no difference. And I've tried that bit of black tape over the plastic push button there, because I could see that was rocking around in there, and that's made no difference. Inside, I've used blue tack to stop the Wi-Fi aerial from rattling around, so that's holding that still in there. And we've still got this annoying rattle. So I think that's 3 videos so far, at least 3 videos. I'm going to give it a rest for a while. Camera's fine as long as we're not moving it and making it rattle. So for stationary filming, it's okay. But for any moving situation, we get the rattle. And that annoys me. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.